Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed product insights. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and highly functional home essential. If you're searching for the best coffee table tray wood, look no further. This is the Acacia wood serving tray with handles, a 17 by 13 inch round decorative piece from KITEISCAT. And it's about to elevate your living space in more ways than one. Let's start with first impressions. Straight out of the box, the tray gives off a premium vibe. Crafted from rich acacia wood, the grain patterns are naturally stunning, offering a unique look with every unit. Its shape is oval, with generous dimensions of 17 inches long, 13 inches wide, and a 1.9 inch depth. It feels solid and durable in your hands, not too heavy, not too light, striking a perfect balance for regular use. Now let's talk design. This tray is not just built for function, it's designed to impress. Whether you're placing it on your coffee table, ottoman, or using it for breakfast in bed, it adds a classy, earthy warmth to any setting. The deep tones of the acacia wood offer a rustic yet polished aesthetic, blending seamlessly into both modern and traditional interiors. The integrated handles are a smart touch. Smoothly carved into the wood, they're not just stylish, they're ergonomic. You can carry drinks, snacks, or decorative items comfortably without worrying about slips or spills. Versatility. In the bedroom, it serves breakfast in bed like a dream. In the living room, it's perfect on an ottoman, doubling as a stable surface for drinks or books. At a gathering, use it to display candles or hors d'oeuvres. It transforms from practical serveware to elegant decor piece instantly. The tray's rim is slightly raised, keeping items secure, whether you're moving it or letting it sit as a centerpiece. The finishing on the wood is smooth, and the edges are rounded, making it comfortable to handle and easy on surfaces. If you're hunting for a gift idea, whether it's for a housewarming, wedding, or even a holiday, this tray checks every box. Its timeless look makes it suitable for almost any home decor style, and it's one of those items that feels both thoughtful and practical. To wrap up, the acacia wood serving tray with handles from KITEISCAT delivers on quality, looks, and utility. From breakfast in bed to coffee table elegance, it's multifunctional, sturdy, and stylish. If you're looking to add a touch of natural charm to your living space, or give a gift that's sure to impress, this might just be your new favorite home essential. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more product breakdowns just like this one. See you in the next video.